38 right now. I could make you do just about anything I wanted to. Just about all my life, people have been doing that to me.
Oh, you're already here? Great. All right. Well, where are you? Oh, shit. Oh,
It's a real nice place if you like shotgun barrels stuffed in your face, or a fat ass trap with some fat ass bass. I'll rob you fucking blind and vanish without a trace. Hey squad, stand up, come on, gather around. Let's show these out of towners how it goes down. First one acting like a clown gets beat to the ground. You can call the fucking cops, no, she should've heard a sound. This is my fucking town, the haze to the Lionel X. Hanging with my homies for bullshit, the stretch. I'm stuck in a gutter, you can call it a trench.